Start.
Okay, start. Now the issue for this generator, this one wrong position. When we open this one, like that position, and then he put like that. See? He put like that, and then he put here, and like that position. He make like that position. Like that position, okay? And like that. This position is wrong, okay? This position symbol is wrong. The correct way, like this. The correct way, this one have hole. See here, there is hole. The correct way is this one. This center rubber you put like that, okay? Second like that, okay? And this plate like that position, put here, and then this position now like this, so put like that, and like that position. This is the good position, okay? When you fix there, little you put some bolt guide here and this side, so you can fix, okay? Now I dismantle. See, 1 2 3 4 5 1. Like that position here, see here, put like that, next like that, then this one here must be flat, o-ring here, hold position like that, and here like that, make like that down, so very easy, okay? This is the proper way. Okay, thank you.